then I can find something to eat. Kawawa naman sila. Okay, so hanap tayo ng gagawing nest. So, ito na, nakuha na natin. Little one, hi there. So, sa iyong bagong nest. Ayan, kumapit siya sa kamay ko. Hello, it's okay. Kinapitan na yung tissue. Hang on. It's alright. Basa pa siya. So, this is so big, guys. Through, Hala! Hi! Say hi! Dry. Hirap palang gumawa ng nest, guys. Kahit na... Ayan, so dyan ka muna. Ayan, yung bago niyang... Hi, Ollie! Are you hungry? Are you hungry, Ollie? You want to eat now? Oh, nakikinig na yung baby girl na yan, oh. You know my voice now, yes? You hungry? You hungry, Ollie? Do you like your new nest? Do you like your new home? Oh, good girl. Oops. Huwag kang magpupo dyan. Eat that, so probably you can have some. So, ilalabas na natin siya. Ay, nagpupo ka na naman sa bago mong nest. Be gentle. Hindi na siya pwedeng pakawalan kasi malakas na. So, nung nakuha ko siya, napansin ko ang dami niyang koto. Kaya yung ginawa natin, kumuha ko ng yung tape, yung paper tape. Tapos yung ginanyan ko siya. Ang dami, as in, ang tagal ko siyang ginanyan bago natanggal. Oh, gutom ka na? Ollie! You know your name? Hi, Ollie! Hello, Ollie! Yun lang. So, okay, say hi! Say hi to your friend! Say hello! What's his name? What's his name? What's his name? What's his name? Shall we name him? Be good, buddy. Be nice. Be good. Hi, Ollie. Hello. Where's your brother? Oh, there he is. Look. He can hear you. Oh. Careful. Oh, my God. Hello. Why are you there? Aww. Oh. You can hear your brother. Be good girl. Good girl. What? There you go. Ay! Ang hirap naman. Oh. Hi, Ollie. You know your name, don't you? Hi, Ollie. Ooh, hi, Ollie. Oh, yeah. That's enough. That's enough, Ollie. That's enough. Morning, Ollie. Morning. Hi, Ollie. Hi, Ollie. Ooh. Ayan, hello po. So, today, itatry natin siyang pakawalan kung lilipad siya. Say hi, Ollie. Medyo madumi yung kanyang okay. So, pakainin muna natin siya. Ayan. Umupo na, no? Okay. Hello, Ollie. Dapat matuto ka ng lumipad. Dito. Come here. Whoops. Enough, Ollie, enough. Good girl. Enough. Okay. Ilalagay natin siya dyan. And see kung anong gagawin niya. Oops. Come on, learn to fly. You have to learn how to fly, Ollie. No. You have to learn how to eat by yourself. How to feed yourself. Ollie. Enough, Ollie. Enough. Yes. Oh. Enough, Ollie. Enough. Yes. Good girl. Yes. You good girl? Hi, Ollie. You have to learn how to feed. Ooh. Oops! Careful! Careful! Say, I'll put this food here. Here, you have to get it. You have to get that yourself. Here, see? Have to get that yourself. Try to get that yourself. Bye, Ollie. Come on. Can you fly now? Ollie, Ollie. Ollie, Ollie. Ayan, iwanan natin siya ng pagkain. Tignan natin kung kakain siya. Iwanan ko yung nest niya dyan. Ollie! Ollie, Ollie! Hi, Ollie! Come on here. Come on, come on. Come, 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 come on, come on, come on, come on. Oops. No, you're not. Oops! Ollie, Ollie! Hi! Come on, eat. Mm. Mm. Hi, Ollie. Hi, Ollie. Hi, Ollie. Hi, Ollie. Hi, Ollie. Hi, Ollie. It's alright. You can fly if you want. So you can join your mom and your sibling. It's okay. Are you strong enough now? You strong enough now to fly away? Good girl, good girl. Ollie, Ollie. Ollie, Ollie. Oh, that's so cute. So cute. She's not moving. Ollie. Ollie, Ollie. Ollie, Ollie. What's that? Ollie, Ollie. Ollie, Ollie. Good girl. Ollie, Ollie. Where's Ollie? Where's Ollie? You a good girl? Oh, you're a good girl. Ollie, Ollie. Ollie, Ollie, good girl. Ollie, Ollie, good girl. Ollie. Ollie, Ollie. Oh. Oh, where's Ollie? Where's Ollie? Oh my God. Ow! Nagpupo na nga. Buti hindi tumama sa kamay ko. Okay. Go. Ayan. Kukuhanan ko na siya ng kukuhanan. Kasi baka bigla ka nang lumipad, no? Baka bigla ka nang lumipad, no? Lilipad na yan, no? Ay, sus. Lipad na yan, no? Come on. Fly. Try to fly. Come on, try to fly. Fly. Ollie, Ollie. Ollie, Ollie. Ollie, Ollie. Ollie, Ollie. Come on, fly. Fly. Come on, fly. Come on. Fly. Come. Here. Probably you can do it there. That's it. That's better. That's better. Oops, oops, oops. Oops, oops. Come on. Dumi na ng ano mo. Oh, that's better. Be careful though. Hi. Hi. Ollie, Ollie. Come on, learn how to fly. Hindi, para ay! Para matuto siyang lumipad. Pagka nahulog ka. No, no, oh my God! Hindi siya mahulog, wala lang siyang kakapitan. Pag may kakapitan siya, marunong na siyang kumapit. Oh! Oli, Oli! Oli, Oli! Hi! Oh, nakikinig siya talaga. Oli, Oli! Hi, Oli! Gawa tayo ng kanyang bagong nest. Ayan, yung bagong nest niya. Tignan natin kung kakaya gusto niya. Lagay kita dyan. Diyan ka na muna. Ayan, para free ka na. Oh, bye-bye, Oli! Dali na, dali na. Nag-ano siya, umupo na siya sa bago niyang nest, na-istorbo ko lang. Ayan, may bago na siyang nest. Careful! Nako, pag umalis ka dyan. She's learning. Good girl, Oli. Nakakatuwa din si Bodhi kasi binabantayan niya kahit saan siya pumunta, sinusundan niya. Nilalagay ko siya sa labas kasi pagpupunta yung nanay, kasi nakita ko yung nanay, umaali-aligid, kaya nilagay ko siya sa labas kasi one time ang dami nilang ibon sa labas. So, nilagay ko siya dyan para balikan. Here! Here! Ayan, waiting pa rin kung pupunta. Ayun, yung nanay niya, pumunta siya. Nakikiramdam din. Kasi one time nilagay ko siya sa harapan para hindi namin nakikita. Pero hindi naman niya kinuha. Pero binalikan niya, dinala niya ng pagkain. Ayan o. Hindi man niya pinasok, siguro natakot. Kaya nilabas ko yan, after niya nilabas ko yan si Oli para mapasok. Ayan yung nanay niya, siguro na-recognize yung anak niya na akala niya patay na kasi nga nalaglag. 3 yung nalaglag eh, 1 lang yung nabuhay. Say hi! Oh! So we'll take her to the vacant lot. Look at that nice blue color. Oh, this is her second time to come here. Oh, come on, go, 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 go. Have a run. Come on, come on. Go, Ali. Go, Ali. Have a nice run. Come on, come on. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Go, go, go. Good girl. Yeah, it's okay. No, 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 no. It's not. Oh, sorry. It's not feeding time. Do you wanna fly now? Do you wanna fly now? You wanna join your parent, your mom or your sibling, your family? It's okay. Oli, Oli, Oli. She's just underneath my bum. Come on, find something to eat. Find something to eat. Just here. Hmm? She doesn't want to leave me. You scared, Ollie? Are you scared? What? What is it? Hmm? What is it? Yeah? Yes? What is it? Come on, find something to eat. Hello, Ollie. Aww. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. That's your new nest. Okay. Good girl. Hanap tayo ng uod. Napapakain sa ibon. Kasi ayaw niya na ng pagkain ng aso. Do you want to fly now? Hmm? It's okay. If you want to join the other birds now, it's alright. Bye-bye, Ollie. We're going now. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to Ollie, Bodhi. Bye, Ollie. Ollie, Ollie. Shall we leave you here? Do you want to go and join the other birds now? Hmm? That's okay. It's alright if you want to go. I'm happy if you would do that. Yes. You listening? Yes. It's okay. If you want to join the other birds, I don't mind. Because that's where you belong. Huh? Ollie? Ollie, Ollie? Ollie, Ollie? Mm. I thought you want to go now. Hmm? Aww, that's so sweet. Kaya pala ganun siya, hindi ko na-realize na yun na yung huling araw niya sa amin. So, okay pa naman siya nung natulog nung gabi, pero paggising ko kinabukasan, wala na siya. Bye, Ollie. May miss pa rin kita.